We've never been so connected, not only online, but also in our everyday life. Our personal choices affect everybody's future. This is why now is the time to act as world citizens.
1, 2, 3.
It's time to put human rights, the environment and all common goods at the very centre of our lives. Let's prepare young people to think critically, to listen to different voices, and to face diversity, in order to feel part of one single community, the human one. Let's show how participation can work by contributing to the process of finding shared solutions. The time has come for a change. Where do we start?
For the first time, go to the other.
Let's start with schools. Each subject has something to teach about how to become a world citizen. Let's engage students and enable them to be protagonists through simulations, games, debates and testimonies. Let's create spaces of citizenship for young people inside schools and outside, involving families, institutions, associations and companies through change that's made by and for everyone, leaving no one behind. Only together can we build a more peaceful, sustainable and fair future. Join us and start the change.